Today I decided, actually, before I go on to speak about what I decided to do, I just think it is only appropriate for me to apologize for not regularly posting as I intended to when I started this channel. But life got in the way. I am actually still experiencing how life can get in the way because I'm not even done moving in yet. Last week and the week before I was trying to deal with moving this side because I live in a separate city. I don't live in Pretoria, so yeah, so that has been holding me by the neck, and also schoolwork and stuff, so I was trying to juggle that. But now I've managed to reschedule and diarize my life basically, and just try and prioritize things so that it makes it easier for me to be able to make videos and produce them for you guys on time. And on that note, I decided that I was actually going to start posting my videos not on Tuesdays and Fridays anymore, but on Wednesdays and Fridays. So the only day that's going to be changing is the Tuesday to the Wednesday. Yeah. Okay, speaking of change, I decided that I was going to, I've been saying decided a lot. Yes, I'm making decisions. Yes, wow. Look, I also decided to go to the gym, by the way. So, yeah, I decided that I was going to be hopping onto the viral TikTok recipe video shebang, that wagon. I will be making a lot of recipes inspired by TikTok just because the recipes are really fun, honestly, and I really enjoy cooking. Part of the reason why I do it is because it's fun for me, so why not take advantage of the fun and enjoyment that TikTok already provides for me, and I figured you guys would like to see a South African gal do it, so I'm here. And I hope that you enjoy watching the videos. I actually already have released my first TikTok viral recipe video. Not that the video itself is viral, but it will be viral in Jesus' name, amen. But rather that the video that I was inspired by is because the recipe itself is viral. That's how I got to know it, yeah, I made the wheat chicken slash seitan slash, what's the other name for it? Yeah, I think they just call it wheat chicken or seitan. Using the wash flour method. I actually made a recipe video for that, and it was very fun to do, so I decided why not continue. And so today I am making the viral pasta TikTok video. Yeah, with a few adjustments, a little bit of adjustments, just a little small adjustments. Yeah, so basically, if you don't know what that is, it's where they take a casserole dish and then they put a whole bunch of cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, whatever you want to call them, and then they put garlic cloves around and like shallots if you want to put, well I did, herbs like basil or something, and then they put a lot of olive oil and then feta cheese right in the center of that, and then put it in the oven to bake for 40 minutes, and then it comes out bubbling and sizzling and smelling good. Or at least that's what the kitchen smells like for me. And then they mix in pasta that's already been boiled, please, and then they mix it in, and then it creates this really creamy, appealing, delicious looking sauce. But like I said, there are a few adjustments to that because unfortunately I can't necessarily buy the common cheese that it's used in the videos. And yes, there is vegan feta cheese out there, it's just expensive. And since I'm trying to make my videos very student budget friendly and cost effective videos that you guys can also relate to, I can't just be flexing on you, I mean. Anyway, so I decided that I was not going to use the feta cheese, but instead I decided to use something that's very affordable. I'm using tofu. And yeah, the reason why I'm using tofu is because I thought, what is another protein source that's equally as high in protein, if not higher, like cheese is? And I thought, tofu. And the reason also why I use tofu is because I was inspired by this lady that made that also was inspired we're all inspired, we're all just inspiring each other, but anyway, that was also inspired by the viral TikTok pasta video, and she decided to do it with a Nigerian twist or something like that, where instead of using feta she put like a chicken breast in the center or something like that, and then she used like the Nigerian spices that you use for jollof rice, which is thyme, garlic, and the such. So I decided to do the same thing because tofu can quickly resemble chicken if you freeze it and then you thaw it and you press out the water and the texture. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, and if you guys notice that there's a change in place, This is my humble abode. Yeah, it's my new place that I'm living in. It's not my new place. I'm a student, like I said, student budget friendly, student budget. So I'm not living by myself. It's a residence for students. But anyway, so I just thought I should let you guys know that's why this place is different, and that's why there's many colors. I don't like the colors. I like color, but it's orange and yellow and purple. Yeah, it's not my vibe. But anyway, I just thought I should defend myself before you guys. So let's get into the video. I'm rambling. Let's get into the video. So I've added in some onions, some olives, my garlic chives, some garlic cloves. These are 2 large garlic cloves that basically make 4. My exotic cherry tomato medley, and I'm also going to be adding in some olive oil. I actually dried this myself, which is pretty easy to do. If you want a recipe for how to make your own dehydrated rosemary from fresh rosemary, then just let me know. And some salt. So I'm going to be adding in my barbecue marinated tofu. Liquid. And lastly, I'm just going to top it with a bit more olive oil. So in total, I put in 1/8 of a cup of olive oil, basically. And I'm going to put this in the oven to bake, and I'll come back and look at it later when it's done. I'm so excited, guys. Look at it. I'm so excited. It's hot. I don't know why I'm doing this. I know it's hot. But anyway. And my tofu is crispy because it was right at the top. Oh gosh. How tomatoey it is. This is so good. The different tomatoes. They're sweet, guys. These exotic tomatoes are really exotic. And the tofu is crispy and also soaked up some of the flavor. Really enjoying myself. This is definitely gonna be a fave. Excuse me while I'm about to go and make a delivery. One of my friends, Mercury, I told her that I was making the viral TikTok pasta with a twist, obviously a vegan twist, and she is still down for it. See guys, I'm making change one step at a time. It's not about whether I have all vegan friends or everybody that surrounds me is vegan and then I'm just living in this fantasy of an echo chamber, but rather I'm inspiring others to eat healthier, you know, show them alternatives and to promote dairy-free food that, you know, is good for the body, above many other things. So yeah, I'm excited for this. I'm excited for her to try it because she's very, very honest. If you guys know who Mercury is, she will not lie to me. If she likes it or she doesn't like it, she'll tell me. So I'm excited to make this delivery, and that's what I'm doing now. I'm just gonna close it up. Yeah, and I'm going. Yeah, so now I'm off to make this delivery. I'm so excited. So excited for her to try it, and she's just, because honestly she was one of those people that were very skeptical about like new things in general, let alone veganism. So when I told her I was vegan and I would make her things, she'll say, is it vegan? And now she's not even like, I don't have to say, hey, do you want to try this, to, you know, show her how things can actually, you know, be nice on this side of the world as well. But she's actually like, can I please try? I told her I was making the viral TikTok pasta, and she's like, I'm gonna eat. And it's just so exciting to see those kind of changes, you know, see the people that you love changing just how they perceive certain things, you know, just seeing that you're making an impact, that inspiring others. Like, I hope I inspire you guys to make meatless meals that are still healthy and very, very delicious like this. So yeah, anyway, bye.